Okay, so hello everyone, 6 Gear Cars here, and I'm just going to show you how to remove the stereo in a 1999 A6. Now, stereo right now, this red display does not turn off, and that's a serious problem because it drains the battery. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to pull it out. I already used the keys to pull it, so to pull the stereo out. Alright, get it out so you can access the wires. Then you're just going to pull each of the wires off. And doing this, you gotta make sure you pop them off. And then sure to note where they sit in the car. So it goes one red connector, black, that was the power obviously. Black's on the bottom, followed by brown, and then top. I don't know if I can get these off. Ah, come on. Oh, there's a little pin. Pop the pin. And that pops up. And now there's coins in this. I don't know how they did it, but they managed to get quite a few coins in the stereo. I'll try to get them out later. The stereo move, you can work at putting a new one in. I picked this stereo up right here. I see Chuck and Eddie's. I believe it was $60 or $45 for this, which isn't a bad price for a used stereo. Let me move the tag right here. Okay. I was going to upload another video today, but the weather kind of put a damper on that. I think it's like 18 degrees out today, and being that I was going to be outside, I decided against that. So there, when you remove that, now I have to plug everything back into the stereo. So I hope the stereo's in the right spot, but so plug them all back in the way they were. Multicolored. The blue connector. The brown. Okay. And the black. Got power. It's reading Bose. And it's in safe mode, which is not what we want. Okay. Get everything back up. Okay. So it's currently in safe mode. Now, to get this fixed, I believe you still have to go to your dealer. So that's all I can do for now. But now you can see what you have to do to replace the stereo. Alright. Once again, this is the 1999 A6 stereo replacement. So I went from this, coins, to this. Alright everyone, that's it. Alright, so in the last bit I told you how to remove the stereo in your Audi. Well, in this little part of the episode, I'm going to show you what I found in my old stereo. I found 73 cents right here, and I have no idea how this got into a stereo. I'm guessing through the cassette, but I still have no clue. But yeah, so that's basically what I found. I still have to get the code, but that I'll do later on. That'll be my next episode, and I'm sorry for the obstruction in the camera right up here, but it's the only way I can record downwards with my current tripod setup. That will be in the behind the scenes video I'm doing in a couple minutes, so see you soon.